I'm doing a freaking John Force burnout right now. Third gear, no playing around. I'm getting this turbo hot as it can get. I aired down the tires. This thing's going. Alright, before this video even starts, do me a favor. Hit that like button and maybe subscribe if you're feeling froggy. Alright, made it to Braden Motorsports Park. Got my cameraman over there, Nash. He's hungover and feeling like a run over dog, but I made him come. So this place is absolutely busy. We got a no time shootout going on. Over there is all packed too. Everybody's staring at us. Brought the old farm truck out. First fire up here.
Yeah. I can't believe the truck didn't make it go down.
Yeah, I know. I was sitting there, I was like, you know, maybe I should send it, and I didn't want to look like an idiot in front of everybody here. My truck's just hanging off the back of the trailer like a cliff.
What are your predictions for today?
Everybody's out here in their fancy, like $100,000 race cars. I'm in my leaking oil, there's Snickers wrappers, holes in the floor. Everybody's giving us dirty looks. There's two rednecks from Northport out here.
Christian's out here at the 6.9 Power Stroke.
Oh yeah, every time I come here I put on my tech card 6.9 Power Stroke. It's just one of those little things in life you gotta do. Alright guys, they just got done clearing the track, cleaning the track and drying it, so we're in the staging lanes now. We just started running cars, that was the first set, so here we go. What we've all been waiting for. Hopefully I don't dump a drive shaft right at the starting line. Alright guys, pulling us through the lanes now. Alright, so for my first pass, I'm going to take off in second gear, or at least try. I'm going to try to slip the clutch. I'm not going to do any fancy footwork. So dry rotted cars. Alright, second gear, staged in. Alright, I'm going to try to just go through this here. Second gear is not the one. next run, get the turbo nice and hot, the burnout box, second gear burnout. Get the motors burning, you know, and then send her down the track. We spun at the beginning there. I don't know why that was. Really need some radials.
What are you doing?
Gotta get these motors drifting.
You really think that's gonna make a difference, huh?
No. I literally said to myself, I was like, there's no way it could get worse than the last pass.
Well, you proved yourself right.
Wrong. I'm doing a freaking John Force burnout right now. Third gear, no playing around. I'm getting this turbo hot as it can get. I aired down the tires. This thing's going at least a 15. Piece of junk. I'm buying it. I'm selling it. Getting the cones. Freaking 17. Can't stop spinning. Lost the map sensor hose. So when this thing loses a map sensor hose, it doesn't read, obviously, a map sensor, manifold air pressure. It doesn't read the boost pressure, so it doesn't see boost, so it won't increase timing or put more fuel in the motor. So we're pretty much just running like a stock truck down the track there. This stupid hose, every time, never fails. Alright guys, so that went terrible. Got the truck all loaded up, strapped down. So, plan of attack here. First things first, gonna get the U-joints fixed on the front drive shaft. Also pull this big, heavy tranny out. Get those synchros fixed, because that's two of the biggest things were traction and I was grinding. This thing should be running, I mean, not super fast, but at least a 14, 13, maybe a 12 with a lot of nitrous. So we got to get all that fixed. We got some work to do, but we'll be back. We'll be better than ever. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.